Interior and National Administration Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen has urged Parliament to allocate more funds for security infrastructure, stressing that investments in roads, housing and communication systems are key to achieving lasting peace and stability. Speaking during a Senate plenary session, Murkomen reaffirmed the government's commitment to modernizing the security sector and strengthening operations in remote banditry-prone regions. He highlighted the success of 𝐄𝐚𝐬𝐿 forums held across all the 47 counties, noting that they have improved collaboration between security agencies and local communities. The Cabinet Secretary also reported steady progress under Operation Maliza Uhalifu in Kerio Valley, Samburu, Laikipia, Baringo, Elgeyo-Marakwet and parts of Meru, pledging equal security and access to government services for all Kenyans.
The police service requires a promotion policy, and the conclusion of the 𝐄𝐚𝐬𝐿 report is that they need to be clarity on promotion policy, that people know if they attain certain number of years and they do not have in their file any criminal record or whatever bad record, and they are diligent in their work, then there should be motivation by ensuring that there is clarity on exactly how do you get promoted.
Mandera County officials have underscored the importance of restoring public trust and promoting sustainable development through transparent land governance. Speaking during public hearings organized by the National Lands Commission LLC, Mandera CEC for Lands Salam Alim said the exercise is crucial in resolving cases of irregular land ownership and ensuring fairness across all the sub-counties. The forum brought together residents, leaders and stakeholders to discuss land allocation matters following regularization request approved during the NLC's 183rd plenary. Commissioner Reginald Okumu noted that the hearings give affected parties an opportunity to present evidence and respond to objections raised during the notice period.
As you are aware, Mandera County has less than 900 titles. And the county government is committed under the leadership of His Excellency Mohammed Adam Khalif to help the residents to acquire regularization for their land, get title deeds for ownership of their land.
Members of the Sengwer community in Embumbut Forest, Elgeyo-Marakwet County have launched a climate-resilient agroecology initiative aimed at reviving traditional food systems and tackling rising lifestyle diseases. Under the Sengwer Embumbut community-based organization, the community joined stakeholders at the Sengwer Cultural Center to unveil the project, which promotes land justice, food security, and community resilience across East Africa. Funded by Global Green Fund and implemented in both Kenya and Uganda, the initiative will empower youth to preserve and share indigenous food knowledge using modern technology.
We're going to write down, you can follow us on our pages and also our blog post of #ASIDA-CBO, where we are going to write about food resilience, food system from the Sengwer, where what we've learned and what we know. And that is us passing a message to so many other people who haven't been here. Thank you, yeah.
To sports, where Dickson Rawino, a 35-year-old, will represent Kenya as the country's sole decathlete at the Tokyo 2025 Summer Deaflympics set for November 15th to 26th. Having finished 6th at the 2022 Games in Brazil, Rawino is confident that his improved form and consistent training will help him secure a medal this time. He will tackle 10 demanding events over 2 days, including sprints, jumps, throws and distance races. Currently training at Moi Sports International Center, Kasarani, Rawino credits his competitive edge to regular contests with hearing athletes and his top performance at the national trials.
Is good, and my goal is to get it's either position 1, 2 and 3, and I must get a gold, because there in Brazil, when we went to Brazil, I was so close to getting the medal. I got only for the long jump, and now I decided that I will work hard, and I've been training there, and even Tokyo I should be number 1, position 1, 2 and 3, and even 100 meters.
That's it from the Eastleigh Voice News Desk.